Oh, hello everyone. This is Dino-Weapon. I'm just ahead right now. After all, just let you do the rest of the talking. Alright, so Dino-Weapon dropped his head, literally, and now, he's gotta undergo surgery. So, we have replacement pieces, thankfully. We really need more of these. Shite. Sorry, anyway, so have there this. Oh, that's bright. This is great. Alright, Dino, I'm just gonna need you to stop talking. Can you feel pain? Not really, but a little bit. I don't think this is gonna hurt. Alright, so here's just where we're up against. Alright, you're good? Okay. So, all we have to do is, we have this jaw, we have our replacement pieces. Two of these little not pins, what am I talking about? These little things. So we just simply, let's set them aside. Now, we have to open up his faceplates. That's not what needed to happen. Now I just gotta remove the faceplates. Then, if you guys can see, they're pretty much just gone. Who knew hitting the ground at like 50 miles per hour would be so devastating? Especially to this. Anyway. Alright. Here we go. Now for the other one. You never want to really throw them away throw them out for scrap metal unless if they're actually unusable. Then we just simply have to reattach the faceplates, make sure they're stable. Alright. Then there we go. I'm just gonna collect these and put them somewhere. Put them in a spot for safekeeping, and then Dino. Wait, is this loose? Is this already a loose? No. Huh? Wait. Hold on. Guys, give me a second. This is an easier way just to get access. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see that, but there's just inside there is literally the slightest crack. This one is literally just a fail. Where's the spare? I have 3. There it is. I thought I wasn't gonna need the spare. Yet here we are. Now, I highly not recommend this because this can be risky, but it's much simpler. Alright. Ugh. There we go. That feels good. Alright, can you reattach my body, please? Alright. Ugh. Oh, well. There's actually one thing I need, you know. That. Alright. So, Dino-Weapon has... Alright, let me just unleash this. Darn it, I messed up the brain. Alright. Give me one moment. Okay, so we have the replacement. So what you want to do is simply just take that out and then just put this in. There we go. That should be good, right? I think so. Then you simply reattach the top faceplate. Alright, what? Ah, there's the problem. There's a little crack over there. I mean, I guess being alive for like 5+ years or 4+ years would be pretty damaging, but you know, have these kinds of parts replaced every 2 years or so. Just a warranty thing, I guess. I don't know. Alright, let's just set that aside. Now, will this work? Wait, is there a crack in it? There might be a crack. I'm actually not sure. Alright. Yep. Okay, give me one more moment. Okay, so apparently we do not have any spares that aren't damaged because reasons. But, you know what, Dino? It's fine. Just work with it. Alright. Alright, let's test. Are you freaking kidding me? Alright. I honestly think it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Yeah. At least I can actually use my jaw now. That's a good thing. Yep. Alright. Thanks everyone so much for watching. This is Dino-Weapon signing out. Oh yeah, wait. Hold on. Don't go. Before you go, there's something I have to announce. Sometime later this month, before the 26th of September, there will be what I call an HV and Dino-Weapon Direct. Basically everything upcoming for the next few months, October, November, and December. Also, there's one event happening this month that needs to be announced because it deserves it. It involves Sans. Anyway, goodbye. I wasn't even close to the camera. Are you kidding me? Well, audio listeners, at least you know.